Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to change password of Google account on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who don't know that the primary purpose of changing your Google account password is to enhance security and protect your account from unauthorized access. And this is especially important if you suspect your account has been compromised or if Google detects suspicious activity. And so yeah, to do that is very easy. So now without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial guys. Okay, the first thing first, now you can go to the settings menu on your cell phone. And then after that, now you can scroll down and go to Google. Alright, after that, now you can click manage your Google account. And then now you can go to security menu on your Google account. And then after that, now you can scroll down again and go to password guys. And then after that, now you can verifying yourself, and then after that, now you can simply change your Google password guys. And then click change password. And then so yeah, the password of your Google account is already changed. Okay guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching guys. Bye bye.